Hello everyone, my name is Harshala Vilas Kathore. I am a student of second year B Pharmacy from Shivajirao as Jondhale College of Pharmacy, Asangaon. Today I am going to present topic subject of medicinal chemistry. So that is synthesis of cholinergic blocking agent. So let's start. First we will see the aminoalcohol esters, Clidinium Bromide USP, cyclopentanol hydrochloride USP, Mepenzolate Bromide, Oxybutynin, Trospium chloride. Clidinium bromide USP. Clidinium bromide is a white or nearly white, almost odorless crystalline powder that is optically inactive. It is soluble in water alcohol but only very slightly soluble in ether and benzene. This anticholinergic agent is marked alone and the combination with the mineral librium in a product known as Librax. The rationale of a combination for the treatment of GI complaints in the use of an anxiety reducing agent together with an anticholinergic agent based on the recognized contribution of anxiety to the development of the distress condition. It is suggested for peptic ulcer, ulcerative or spastic colon, anxiety state with GI manifestation, nervous stomach, irritable or and others. Clidinium bromide is contradicted in glaucoma and other conditions that may be aggravated by a parasympathetic action, such as a parostotic hypertrophy in elderly man, which could lead to urinary retention. Cyclopentanol hydrochloramide USP. Cyclopentanolate hydrochloramide is crystalline white odorless solid that is very soluble in water, easily soluble in alcohol, and only slightly soluble in then A1% soluble has pH of 500 to 5.4. Neutralization with a few drops of pilocarpine nitrate solution 1% to 2% often result in completely recovery in 6 hours. It is supplied as a ready-made ophthalmic solution in concentration of either 0.5% to 2%. Mepenzolate bromide. Mepenzolate bromide has an activity about one half and the half of atropine in reducing ash including spasm of the ileum. The selective action on colonic hypermotility is said to relieve pain, cramps and bloating and help curb diarrhea. Oxybutynin was one of the first agents specifying developed to exploit the effects that cholinergic blocking agent have one of the bladder by competitive blocking and muscarine receptor. It is has direct spasmolated effect on a bladder smooth muscle. The reaction in smooth muscle tone allow for greater volume of urine to be stored in a bladder, which result in less urinary incontinence, urgency and frequency. Oxybutynin acts as a competitive antagonist on M1, M2 and M3 receptor subtypes. Aminoalcohol ethers. Benztropine Mesylate USP, Orphenadrine Citrate. Benztropine Mesylate it has anticholinergic, antihistamines, and local anesthetic properties. Its anticholinergic effects make it applicable as an it is about as potent and anticholinergic as atropine and shares some of the side effects of the drug such as mydriasis and dryness of mouth. Orphenadrine citrate is closely related to di- dihydramine structurally but has much lower as much lower antihistamine activity and much higher anticholinergic action. Linkwise, it lacks the sedative effect characterized of diphenhydramine. Pharmacological texting indicates that it is not primarily a peripherally acting anticholinergic because it has only weak effect on smooth muscles on eye and secretory glands. It does reduce voluntary muscle spasms, however, by the central inhibition actions on several motor areas, a central effect similar to that of atropine. Aminoalcohols. Piperidine hydrochloride, procyclidine hydrochloride, trihydrocolide, and tolitridine. Bipidrin. Bipidrin introduced in 1959 has a relative weak anticholinergic but a strong nicotinamide. It has a relatively strong musculotropic action which is about equal to that of piperine. Its action on the eye, although mydriatic is much lower than that atropine. The drug is used in all types of Parkinson's disease. It is also used in drug-induced extrapyramidal disorder in element symptoms and pyramid continuous use to tranquilizer. Procyclidine hydrochloride USP. Procyclidine hydrochloride it is ineffective peripheral anticholinergic. It has been used with success in the treatment of Parkinson's syndromes. Amino Tropicamide. Tropicamide is an effective anticholinergic for ophthalmic use when mydriasis is produced by relaxation of a sphincter muscles of its irises, allowing adrenergic invasion of a radial muscle to dilate a pupil. Its maximum effect is achieved in about 20 to 25 minutes and lasts for about 20 minutes with complete recovery in about 6 hours. Its action is more rapid in onset and wears off more rapidly than that of most other myradids. To achieve myradids, either 0.5% or 1.0% concentration may be used, although cycloplegia is achieved only with a stronger solution. Miscellaneous diphenyl methyl sulfate, ethopropazine hydrochloride. Okay, thank you.